Play. What is that? Okay. It makes you feel like 3D. Those pages are just okay. While it's moving, it makes you feel like that. That's a tattoo. Okay, when you will add that black parts. Okay, while hey, that's moved. Play. What is that? Is that a color? I don't know. What's that final thing? It looks like a teeth or something. Oh, that's a King Kong, a gorilla. Play. Okay, Peaky Blinders. Is that a leg? That looks too cool, man. That's a tattoo. That looks too cool. Peaky Blinders, what a great series. It looks too cool, that tattoo. 3D art was okay. Added some of the details too. Play. Okay, what is that? Okay, jeans. So much of jeans. So many of jeans. Okay. Okay. That looks cool. Play. What is that? Okay. It making us illusion like that they have used bricks, but he's just making that sponge. Okay, it looks like that.